For this lesson, let's begin to move away from the world of printing. I mean, there are more things that we do with Photoshop documents than print them, and move a little bit more into monitors, PowerPoint, HTML web pages, etc. Just one feature I want to show you here. It came out in version 5, but it's kind of cute. It's called Zoomify. I don't know if you've ever used it before, but let's just stick with the image we had from the previous lesson, 477_3016030.psd. And no, I'm not crazy about numbers. That's just the name of the file as it exists on the Photospin website. Do this. Go up to the word File on the pull-down menu and go down to Export. Now you have an option called Zoomify. If we select it, it's actually pretty easy. What we want to do here is decide, for example, what the background is going to look like. We can leave that at black, or you could try gray or white. Where do we want the output to go? Let's go ahead and create a new folder. I'll do that on my desktop, and so I'll call it Zoom, as in Zoomify shortened. Click Create. Click Choose. Now, quality items, we're talking about things like JPEGing. So it is going to crunch this image down. And how big do you want it to be? We'll leave everything at default so you can check it out. Click OK. As it works and thinks about it. And there you go. Now you can put this into any web page. If you come over to it, you can click on it to zoomify it, if you will. We can come down here to change the zoom. And once you've got it larger, you can come over here. You can use these arrow keys to move it left, right, up or down, or you can come over and actually drag it if you want to. Interesting feature, actually. You see this a lot on websites, and some people say to me, how do they do that? We used to have standalone programs, but what Adobe does, I find this kind of cool. What Adobe does is they'll look out there and they'll find programs that are small, they're very purposeful in what they do, and they'll think, well, maybe we could do something like that and put it in and add some value to Photoshop or Illustrator or InDesign. And I think that's where this one came from. But it's kind of a neat way to go ahead and take a photograph and actually allow people to zoom in on it and kind of scan around. Zoomify. Check it out under Export. On to the next.